Okay, I've been banging away on this thing, getting these pushed down a little bit that way, and I've also been smashing that down. It was you can see that rust line. It was all that shiny stuff is where it used to, this belt pulley used to be, and I decided to go with using a Lovejoy coupler. And as you can see, I welded it on right here where the pressure plate centerpiece was on that had been stripped out. I kind of cut that off, making it flush. I'm going to grind that down as much as I can and actually go back and grind that down too to reduce any vibration. And I'm actually just going to take this end piece here and push it onto there. You can get it all lined up and everything, and then tack it on, and then basically pull this all apart so just this coupler's on here. And then I'll use a micrometer to make sure it's as lined as possible. And then I'm just going to totally weld it to the end of that spline shaft there. On the other side of it, along this side of the coupler, it's actually going to be resting right up against where the spline starts. And then that pilot bearing, or the pilot shaft, the pilot end, will actually kind of just flushes up against the inside of this coupler. So I'll weld that there too. And this is pretty much aligned. I just have to bring this in a little bit more. I was thinking about trying it with 2 belts just because the keyway doesn't come in enough. Like only about half of it's going to be inside the keyway if I bring it in, so all 3 belts align, but it's just barely totally in there. I just use 2 belts, so yeah, I guess kind of wait and see what happens, but it's definitely coming together. Thanks for watching.